Hey everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. I'm going to do a quick update on the October results that we've had at ThetaTraders.com, looking at the strangles, naked puts, 112s. Ended up with a slightly positive month. It was a very difficult month with golds, especially we did get stopped out on a strangle and gold with the same parameters that we should be using. So, and then had a slightly positive month, so definitely not minding it. Let's look at the actual trades and see where we're going to move on into November. All right, so you can see here we had for the month $313 in realized gains based on low deltas. So that's the 112 trades, low delta, and strangles, and naked puts and whatnot. And then your covered strangle, we made $146.25. Total is $459.27 with a 1.1% return there. So you can see in the strangle profit, quite a bit on low delta MES. Have some 112s. We're doing them on MES, CL. Made a dividend for 58.27 on BIL and been adding into that. So if you're interested in learning how, you can go to thetatraders.com and figure out the exact percent that you should be using for BIL. HG for copper had some gains and had some losses there. The MES strangles again did well. One of the big ones was the loss of golds. We actually got stopped out on a loss at $1,480, which is a pretty significant loss, but ended up with that profit of 1.1%, even with that stop out. So going forward, we still have quite a bit of strangles, 112s. A lot of them are in good shape right now. We have a current realized profit of about $120 or so for just today in November. There's a lot of unrealized gains right now, and the PL Open is in the mid 700s right now. Should be in good shape, especially with some 112s that are expiring shortly.